Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a Mazda CX-5. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera. Taking a look in the hatch. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate controls and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.